Yo, what's happening, family? This is your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy of tech. People, today, this showed up. A damn mystery box from FedEx. I don't know who it's from or what's in it. So with no discussion, let's get it busting. Let's go. All right, family. I got the box cracked and whatever. Let's see what's in here. Let's take a peek. Oh, I don't see nothing but this air cushion. Let's take that on out or whatever. Slide it on out. I feel like a box and something else or whatever. Could it be some kind of accessory? Oh, snap. Hey, yo. It's an OtterBox and it had some more stuff in there. Man, oh man, oh man. Who sent me this here? People, the case right here is an OtterBox Symmetry clear. Man, this is so damn dope. Transparent case and all that. This is hotness. I haven't had an OtterBox case in so damn long, you don't understand. All right, but before I open it up, let's get to see what else that came in the box. All right, let's go right here. Got a very nice Xfinity Mobile microfiber cleaning cloth. Xfinity Mobile sent me this. Shout out to you guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man, mad salute to Xfinity Mobile. Also right here, man, a pop socket, Xfinity Mobile pop socket. I will be putting this boy to use. I really appreciate you guys. Otter and Xfinity Mobile, you guys are awesome. Y'all surprised the hell out of me. No doubt about it. And they sent the letter. All right, family, here's the letter right here. It says, Happy New Year. Thank you so much for supporting OtterBox and Xfinity Mobile. No problem. Thank you guys for the great products. Man, oh man. We value and appreciate your support for our brands. Please feel free to tag us OtterBox, in your social posts if you love our products. Will do. Ashley at OtterBox. Shout out to Ashley at OtterBox. Yes, indeed. I really appreciate it and everything. The letter was a very, very nice touch. So let's get to the unboxing of the beautiful case. Man, oh man, oh man. Once again, this is the OtterBox Symmetry Sleek Protection Series case and all that. It's clear scratch resistant. Beautiful, because a lot of clear cases that come out be catching hella scratches. I'm not gonna mention any brands or anything, but some of them are my favorite clear cases, but they get scratched up pretty damn easily. But as you can see, the packaging from OtterBox is classic. They always have great packaging. Man, I haven't had an OtterBox in so long that the last time I had an OtterBox, you open it from the top, but this one, you slide it from the side, which is a great look. Man, this case has drop protection, ultra slim one-piece design, one piece instead of two-piece. That's really convenient. Easy on, easy off. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Let me slide this boy on out. There we go. Man, oh man, this cardboard is nice and heavy. I'm loving the packaging. OtterBox is famous for that. Man, oh man. And here's the clear case, people. Man, not flimsy at all. Very rigid, very stiff, and everything. Man, oh man, oh man. No stickers to peel off, and the packaging. Case companies with clear cases and everything. Not one sticker to peel. This is very easy to unbox. That's what I'm talking about. And let me grab my iPhone 10 out from the back. Slap it on this boy like so. Let me take it to the back. Oh yeah. All right, everybody, the case is on, and here we go. Yes, indeed, nice snug fit. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Nice, beautifully designed. Man, the cutouts are on deck. There's the mute switch. I get it on off. Easy to reach and everything. And this is a good test because I just cut my nails. You get the volume rocker, you know what I'm saying? Very legible. It's kind of flush, but you can really feel it without even looking at it, which is a good look. Then at the bottom of the case, you got the microphone, the lightning port right there, and the speaker. Cutouts are perfect as always from OtterBox. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then on the right side, you have the power button with OtterBox branded. Very nicely designed case. Then at the top, nothing. But that's okay though. Now let's see how deep the camera protection is. Y'all know how I do it by now. Oh yeah, it's in there. That's what I'm talking about. So nothing's gonna happen to your camera in this clear case. And I'm loving that it's scratch resistant. Let me take it back to that. Now as far as the protection lip, let's see how deep that goes. Oh yeah, you're getting some good protection from this case. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Hey people, the link to this case will definitely be in the description in case you're interested in getting this case. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, oh man, oh man. I really appreciate you, Xfinity Mobile and OtterBox, for both surprising the hell out of me. You dig, you dig. Mad salute to you guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw, yes, sir. And if you like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up because that's official. Man, oh man, oh man. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.